Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to fix your Epson printer. As you can see, when I turn on my printer, I get this red blinking light, and because of this I can't use my printer, I cannot print, I cannot photocopy. But in this video today I'll be showing you how to fix this. So this usually happens when your waste ink pad counters are full and you either need to replace them or reset them. But in this video I'll be showing you how to just reset them and get your printer back into working state. So first you'll need to open up your browser and search l380.net. So we'll be using this website, so just search l380.net as I've done, and you'll be brought to this homepage. So here you'll want to click on the shop, as you can see. So just click on the shop and you'll be taken to this product, as you can see, the buy reset key, the week reset key. So we'll need to buy this product, and as you can see, it's only 1 cent. So just click on add to cart, and we'll be using this product to reset our printer so that it can get back into full working state. So just add that to cart, and now as you can see, buy key reset key has been added to your cart. So you'll want to view cart, so just click on view cart and you'll be brought to this page where you can make your final checkout. So I'll be using PayPal to check out, but you can use any method that is available to you. So just select PayPal and you'll want to click on continue. That's if you're using PayPal, and as you can see, this product costs 1 cent, so make sure it's that and click continue. So just wait for the processing, and now we can finally place our order. So again, click on place order. So just click on place order to get the product. And bam, there you go, you'll be taken directly to the download page. As you can see, you can now download the software, so you get unlimited downloads and no expiry date. So I'll just download it. When you click, the download begins automatically, and you'll just wait for the download and you'll just show it in folder. So just click show in folder, and as you can see, we now have the reset tool. So here you'll want to extract it because it has been compressed. So just extract it and you'll open the extracted folder. So just open it, and here you'll see different applications. So I want you to click on the second application. So just click that. If you have an antivirus program, make sure to allow the programs to run, and as soon as you've done that, again you'll click on the first program. So just click on the second, then click on the first, and again remember to always allow your antivirus program, because if you don't, it won't run. So again, click on OK to be taken to this Epson adjustment program. So we'll begin by selecting our printer model. So for me, I'm using the L382 model, but you can select any model. As you can see, there's a drop down list where you can select any model. So on the destination, I want you to select exactly what I select. So just select Euro and click on OK. So just click on OK and wait for the settings to adjust. And now we'll go to the next step, which is the particular adjustment mode. So click on the particular adjustment mode to be taken to this page, and as you can see, we'll be doing maintenance, and you'll select the waste ink pad counter. So select that and click OK, and now as you can see, we are here on the waste ink pad counter, and we'll begin by checking what our waste ink pad counters are at. So just click on check, and as you can see, you immediately get the results, and my main ink pad counter is 100% used, and my platen pad counter is 90% used, and this is what is causing the error, and we need to reset this. So I'll be showing you how to reset it so that it's back to 0, because if it's at 100, you can't use your printer. So we'll reset both the main pad counter and the platen pad counter. So I want you to click on initialize. So click on initialize and wait. So it may take a few seconds. So just click on initialize, and as you can see, when you click the OK button, the counter will be initialized. So click on OK, but I need you to notice that the printer will get disconnected immediately it is initialized. So just click on OK, and as you can see, it will initialize, and bam, communication error. Don't worry about this. This happens because the printer gets disconnected after resetting. So now everything is okay. Now what we'll do is we'll check again. As you can see, the main pad counter is 0. Now let's run another check to make sure it was okay, and bam, as you can see, everything is back to 0. Everything has been reset, and now we have the full functionality back to our printer. So just click on finish and we'll proceed to test if everything works. So I'll check just one more time to be sure, and as you can see, when I check, everything is 0, and we'll click on finish and test our printer. Remember at the beginning we had that red light. As you can see, we still have that red light. Now all you have to do is turn off your printer, then turn it back on again. As simple as that, guys. So just turn it off and I'll turn it on again, and this time if we did it correctly, we should not have that red blinking light. And as you can see, guys, everything is okay. We don't have that red blinking light, and now you can use your printer, you can print, you can photocopy, and you can do everything without any problems. And as you can see, nothing, everything is okay. And that's it for the video. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you are having any problems or errors, and I'll try to get back to you guys. And again, until next time.